Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to use new keyboard font in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on general. After clicking on general, scroll down and click on keyboards, and then again click on keyboards. And if you want to add new keyboard font, then simply swipe down and here you can see the option add new keyboard, and here you can add your new keyboard. And if you can add the keyboard, then simply open the keyboard in your mobile, and then you can see the global option, then simply click on it, and here you can change and use your keyboard font. So this is the way to use new keyboard font in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.